Hi there everybody, David Sampson here. Here are my top 10 tips for those of you with a fear of flying. Number 1, it's sometimes the unexpected that causes us to have a fear of flying. So find out more about how a plane works technically. Look it up on the internet, learn what turbulence is. If possible, go on courses run by some of the major airlines. It's the unexpected movement sometimes of the plane or sudden sounds that cause people to become anxious. Tip number 2, request a seat that is towards the middle of the plane. For those of you who don't like turbulence, if you sit on the wing, the plane moves around less. The very worst place to sit is at the back, because that's where the plane really bounces around, and in the front it bounces around too. But if you position yourself on the wing, you get less movement. Tip number 3, allow yourself plenty of time to get to the airport. Don't rush, because your anxiety will fuel your fear of flying even more. Arrive at the airport a couple of hours early, have a coffee, have a walk around the shops. Don't rush. Tip number 4, tell the cabin crew when you go on board that you're a nervous flyer. They're very understanding, they're very experienced. They know that 40% of the people on that aeroplane are anxious flyers. And by you telling them that you're a little bit nervous, it will alleviate some of the anxiety that you're feeling. Number 5, focus on the positives that you've got to look forward to when you're on holiday. Think about lying on that beach. Think about just chilling out in the sunshine. Think about swimming in the sea. So focus on the positives of what you've got to expect when you get there. And also on the way home, think about how nice it is to be in your own home. Tip number 6, keep yourself distracted during the flight. Take your music player with you. Do a Sudoku, do a crossword, take a book. Watch a movie, play an interactive game. All of these things will distract you from what is going on around you in the flight. Tip number 7, treat turbulence as a bumpy car journey. If you tense up, you're going to make it worse. The secret of handling turbulence is to relax and let your body slump into the seat. If you tense up, you will make every one of those bumps count. A bit like driving down a country road. If you held yourself stiff when your car was driving down a country road, you would feel every bump. So if there is going to be any turbulence, relax and allow your body to soak up those bumps quite naturally. Tip number 8, try to avoid coffee and other caffeinated drinks. These act as stimulants and they will heighten your sensitivity and they will actually make you feel more anxious. Tip number 9, you are in control. You were the one who decided where you're going to fly to. You decided what seat you were going to sit in. You decided your location. You chose the seat. You chose all of these things. You are in control. But do you really want to be the person that flies the plane? Or do you want to leave it to the guy with 100,000 hours experience? Be in control for as much as you need to be in control and let the pilot fly the plane. Tip number 10. Have you ever considered hypnotherapy? Hypnotherapy is a really effective treatment for the fear of flying. It accesses those folders in the subconscious that cause you to have this particular fear. It's a very effective way of treating fear of flying. If you want to get treated for fear of flying, give me a call. www.davidsampson.co.uk. Speak to you soon. Bye.